Hello health enthusiasts. Are you tired of tossing and turning all night long? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing with you a 10-minute yoga routine specifically designed to help you get better sleep. Whether you're dealing with insomnia, or stress, or just need a little relaxation before bed, this routine is perfect for you. So grab your yoga mat, put on some comfy clothes, and let's get ready to unwind and drift off into a peaceful slumber. Number 10. Sleeping Swan. Target: neck, shoulders, back, buttocks and legs. Sit on the floor with a pillow in front of your body. Bend your right knee and put the ball of your right foot on the inside of your left thigh. Lift your hips and extend your left leg behind your body. Keeping centered, gently roll forward from your hips and rest your head on the pillow. Extend arms forward with elbows slightly bent. Hold for 8 to 10 breaths, then turn around. Change side, repeat. Number 9. Happy Baby. Target: spine, groin, and glutes. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and bend your knees with your feet toward the ceiling. Grasp the outside of each foot with each hand and bend the knee farther into the armpit. If possible, rock from left to right to gently massage the spine. Hold for 15 seconds. Number 8. Standing Forward Fold. Targets: back and neck. Stand with your feet about 6 inches apart. Hinge forward at the hips to lower into a forward fold, reaching toward the ground or bending arms and grabbing opposite elbows above the head. Exhale and stretch through the main crown. Hang and keep for 15 seconds. Number 7. Sleeping Butterfly. This position will help open up your hips, which become closed and tight when sitting, while also stretching your lower back. Bring the soles of your feet together in front of you, and focus on your knees. Your feet can be as close or as far away from your pelvis as you feel comfortable, and you may need to sit on pillows to raise your hips or use pillows to support your knees on either side. Inhale and stretch your spine up, then gently begin to fold forward, arching your spine and neck, bringing your forehead closer to your feet. Stop anywhere that feels good and hold for 10 to 15 breaths, exhaling through your back. Number 6. Lizard Pose. Targets: hip flexors, hamstrings, and quadriceps. Start in Downward Dog, then step your right leg out from your right hand and bend your right knee into a lunge with your right thigh parallel to the floor and your toes slightly turned out. Come down to support your elbows on the ground. Keep your neck and spine in a straight line, press your left heel out, and keep your hips straight. Lower your left knee toward the ground for a more relaxed stretch. Hold for 15 seconds. Switch legs, repeat. Number 5. Seated Side Bend. Target: neck, shoulders, back, and obliques. Sit on a cushion with your legs crossed. Place your left hand on the floor next to your left hip with your left elbow slightly bent. Stretch your right hand towards your ear. Lean to the left, keeping your hips on the floor and your shoulders down. Hold for 8 to 10 breaths. Change side, repeat. Number 4. Legs up the wall. Target: glutes and hamstrings. Face the wall, then lie on your back. Move your hips as close to the wall as possible, lift your legs, and place the backs of your feet against the wall, feet perpendicular to the floor. Rest your arms at your sides. Hold for 15 seconds. Number 3. Child's Pose. This relaxed pose increases flexibility while lengthening and stretching the spine. For extra support, place a pillow on your forehead, chest, or under your thighs. From the tabletop, sink your hips back into your heels. Bend the knees together or separately. Relax your chest and let it sink into your thighs. Release any tension in your spine. Hold this position for up to 5 minutes. Number 2. Figure 4. Targets: buttocks, glutes, and lower back. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Raise your right leg, bend your knee, and wrap your arms around your chest. Hold for 5 seconds. Raise your left leg to the ceiling and bend your left knee so that your left shin is perpendicular to the floor. Bend your right knee outward and place your right ankle on top of your left quadriceps. Move your hands behind your left leg and pull your left leg toward your body. Hold for 15 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat. Number 1. Seated forward fold. Target hamstrings and calves. Sit on the ground with your back straight, legs together and body extended forward. Keeping your legs bent, bend forward from your hips and place your forearms on the floor next to each leg. Hold for 15 seconds. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Benefits of bedtime yoga. Alleviates insomnia. Practicing yoga regularly can help you manage your insomnia symptoms. You may be able to fall asleep faster, sleep longer, and fall back asleep when you wake up in the night. 2019 research points to the effectiveness of yoga and other mind-body therapies in treating insomnia and promoting better sleep. In addition to yoga, people who practiced meditation, Tai Chi, and Qigong also had improved sleep patterns. Weight loss. A consistent yoga practice is associated with weight loss and quality sleep. Yoga before bed can help you sleep better, which can have positive effects on weight maintenance and weight loss. It can also help you pay more attention to your eating habits. Sleep quality. Yoga is a natural alternative to pharmaceutical sleep aids, which are often used for older adults. Researchers in a 2018 study looked at the long-term effects of yoga in older adults. They found that practicing yoga had a positive effect on sleep quality and overall quality of life, compared to a control group that didn't see as many benefits. Promotes relaxation. Yoga can help bring your body into a calm state called the relaxation response. It is the opposite of fight or flight. Calming yoga poses can help you relax and get into a lower state of arousal. This can lead to lower blood pressure and lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. A regular routine can help prevent stress-related problems like weight gain, anxiety, and insomnia. Thanks for joining us for this 10-minute yoga routine for better sleep. We hope that these gentle and relaxing poses have helped you feel more calm and centered and that you'll be able to get a good night's rest. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more yoga, wellness, and self-care content. And as always, be sure to take care of yourself, both on and off the mat. Sweet dreams.